Maya, help! My stomach is a crime scene. I just ate my pizza and now it's gone. A black hole in my belly stole my lunch.
No black holes, Alex. Your pizza isn't gone. It's just starting the ultimate hide-and-seek game. It's called digestion. It's the secret power your body uses to turn food into fuel for your muscles. Your body is like a giant factory. First, your teeth crush the pizza, and then it takes a ride down the esophagus. Which one does your throat feel like when you swallow? Point to the slide or the pogo stick?
I'll help it. Shake, shake, shake. Get down there, you sneaky pepperoni.
You don't need to jump. Your muscles do the work for you. They squeeze the food in a wave called peristalsis until it reaches the stomach.
Give me some super facts, Maya.
Fact 1. Your stomach uses acid so strong it could actually melt a metal nail.
Melting metal?
Fact 2. If you stretched out your small intestine, it would be as long as a tennis court.
That's a long tube.
Fact 3. You can actually digest food while standing on your head because your muscles are that strong.
Munch it small and swallow down, the body slide goes through the town.
Your mission is to feel your throat move next time you swallow. And if you want to see how our lungs work, click our How We Breathe video right here. Happy eating, explorers! Bye!